Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be showing you how to get monkey money easy. So, to get the map editor, first way to get it is by buying it, but that's like buying 2 copies. So, you don't want to do this. Instead, here's the first thing to get money fast. Do not spend on powers. Now, I got all of these from challenges and achievements. And this is the only time I actually purchased. So, press play and go into the advanced tab. Now you might go to the advanced, and if you just do easy, you get 225 for a perfect game. So, I'll cut to show you of it. So, yeah, I'll cut on to the final round. Alright, we're at the final round. And yes, that's what I recommend, because then you can instantly pump in. See, boom, that's the reward. So then you press home and yeah, boom, you just got 200 free monkey money. Also, this is my TD6 username if you want to add me. Another way to get monkey money is challenges, where sometimes they can be easy, sometimes they can be like impossible. I would not recommend co-op since those can be very, very difficult to do, and in order to get this one right here that I'm almost there, just do like a bunch of free play. Yes, I just went out of topic there, whoopsie. But expert maps do give the most. If you're a pro player, you can easily defeat these. I recommend Money Puddles, since this one is the easiest of what it looks like. I haven't played that much of this, so yeah. And then if you want a little bit less of a challenge, you can do intermediate, but as you can see, it does less cash. You'd have to do medium if you don't want to do hard for a decent amount of cash, but yeah. And here's what it looks like of a beginner map that we all know, but in case you haven't played, here's how it looks like. If you've already completed one, it's just 15. Now, I actually have a lot of badges in Monkey Meadow, but since I just unlocked Advanced, I'm making this video so that I can teach you all how to get the map editor fast, since I don't have it yet. But yeah, that's all the tricks that I know to easily get monkey money. If you have an unplayed difficulty, it will give you more cash. Like, for example, hard mode half cash will give you probably a lot of cash. I don't know, since I have never completed hard mode, but yeah. That's basically my entire tutorial, but if you find this useful, make sure to like and subscribe. And, alright, so here's a bonus one, though. If you want a bunch of knowledge, like, kind of, that you just need to level up to get monkey knowledge after you have all of the level up towers. So around level 30 is when you start getting it. Also, this is why you do not want to buy towers. I got these from missions. They're pretty expensive. Now, social will give you less money. So yeah, here's also a little Easter egg. Oh, and also one more. So if you want monkey money, but are too lazy to do hard maps. Another one is challenges or achievements, as you can see. These can give you monkey money for certain achievements. Don't you do the I'll be back, even though I have 40% on it. That's when I was not trying to get it. Like, for example, so shiny. Doesn't that remind you of something? So shiny, so strong. Me did a job on DDT. Gives you a decent amount of cash, but it's difficult to do. The greatest challenge just don't give you any monkey money, so don't do that. If you want to have a nightmare, then do this one. But yeah, I don't recommend doing this one because you will have a nightmare experience. Also, the achievement is random. Life experience. Earn 5,368,709 experience for any tower. But yeah, that's basically my tutorial on, well, how to get monkey money. But here's another one. First, go into Magic, get this and then this. You want to buy the Mo Monkey Money, earn 10% extra monkey money on game wins of any difficulty. I'm guessing that's what it said. Here's where you can go to challenges. Sometimes, as you can see right here, you can get monkey money from this stuff. This is just 1,000. This is 1,000, so it's obviously pretty difficult, probably. Challenges, tutorials give you powers. Rarely they might be able to give you monkey money. I kind of forgot. Experiments definitely do give you money. That's the only thing that they give you for experiments. Of course, there's tails, which can give you mostly insta monkeys or power-ups. But if you're very, very lucky, you could, if you're very lucky, you can, for like, find monkey money. For example, Rouge Legends preview. Anyways, that's the end of my video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful. Thank you. Bye.